everyone. I'm Ila Pachauri, and today I'm hosting the chat show Aspire to Inspire. Now, in our series Aspire to Aspire, we bring to you amazing women of substance who walk the talk. वो सिर्फ वो नहीं होती हैं जो वो बोलती हैं, वो उस सबको करके दिखाती हैं जो उन्होंने कहा है या अपने मन में ठाना है. सो आज हम ऐसी एक शख्सियत को आपके सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं. उनका नाम है मिसेस मधु सहगल. शी इज अ प्राउड फाउंडर ऑफ नाम्स क्रिएशन, जो कि बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट आर्टिकल्स बनाता है. उसके अलावा मिसेस मधु सहगल हैज ऑलवेज बीन अ टीचर. शी टीचेस लिटिल किड्स फ्रॉम अंडर प्रिविलेज सेक्शंस. कोविड टाइम में भी उन्होंने सिखाया है, पढ़ाया है सबको. उसके अलावा उनकी बहुत सारी खासियतें हैं जो कि हम धीरे धीरे जब उनसे बात करेंगे तो हम उनसे जानेंगे. कई अवार्ड्स मैम को मिले हैं. तो लेट्स वेलकम मिसेस मधु सहगल. कैन वी सी यू मिसेस मधु सहगल? वेलकम टू आवर शो.
Hi, Ila.
Hi
Good
ma'am.
evening. Hi, good evening. I'm good, Ila. How
Good
are
to
you?
see you. And I feel so proud to be hosting you today. So
Thank you.
you really inspire so many people, so many women. And when I talk to you, when I mention you in front of my family and friends, and everybody sends you a big salute. सबकी तरफ से आपके लिए बहुत बड़ा सलाम. So, ma'am, again, when you say age is just a number, but I'll have to mention here for the knowledge of our viewers that you are 70 years old. Because 70 years is an age when people do not want to try anything new, isn't it?
Yes.
They just want to relax. वो कहते हैं चलो अब हम टीवी देख लेंगे, अब हम रिलैक्स करेंगे, ग्रैंड किड्स के साथ खेलेंगे. लेकिन उसमें भी आप जो है कंटिन्यूअसली छोटे छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ा रही हैं. आपने उनकी करियर शेपिंग की है. आप कभी खाली नहीं बैठती. अगर आप बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ा रही हैं तो आप बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट आर्टिकल्स बना रही हैं. मेरे को ये भी पता चला है कि आप पूरे टाइम नए नए इनोवेशन सोचती रहते हैं कि अब नया मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ.
Yes.
ये जो एक जो पावर हाउस है एनर्जी का, इसका सीक्रेट क्या है? पहले तो जस्ट शेयर योर सीक्रेट विद अस.
The secret of this is, the way we've been born and brought up in a family. I'm from a very big and joint family where I had 6 chachis and my dadi, who was the real head of the family. And we were about 10 to 12 cousins. So, everybody had some or other quality. So we had seen the mixture of, good and bad things. So all those things, I try to take out the best out of. Maybe they were elders, or maybe they were of my age, or maybe they were younger to me. So that is how this thing has come. And there are certain things, I think, which are God given also, which you, as and when the time comes, you use them. So I think that is what I'm using it. So I like to learn anything at any time. So much so that when we go to any restaurant or any, eatable place, I don't mind if I like something. I don't mind.
Trained yourself, or maybe you were not gifted.
And I give him that it is very good. I really appreciate and then request him कि आप मुझे बताओगे इसको कैसे बनाया. And I feel कि घर जाके फटाफट उस चीज को बना लो, so that you come to know that how exactly it comes out, and that really helps to learn anything, from anyone. And the learning process carries on throughout. One keeps learning. If you have the aptitude to learn, I think you can learn. It's not much that you will learn from your elders. You can learn from so much so that you learn from plants, you learn from animals. So, but you have to have the attitude to learn. Hello, can you hear me, Ila? Hello? Hello, Ila? Ila? Hello, Ila, can you hear me? Ekta, can you hear me? Hello, hello, Ila, can you hear me?
You aren't clearly audible.
Can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear you. Yes,
Okay, okay,
I can hear you. Yes, yes.
okay. So that is how, uh, keep on learning something or other from everyone and anyone.
So the essence is to stop looking at the negative points of people around you and
I
just
never,
try to filter the positive points,
yes,
positive
yes,
qualities.
yes. Today we
Am
had
I
our,
audible?
yes, you are
Yeah.
absolutely
Okay.
right, Ila. Today we had our Buddhism meeting, and in that today's concept was also the same, changing poison
Yeah.
into medicine. So always be positive. That's how you can, run
That's nice. That's so
you,
nice to
you
hear.
can run any show very well if you are positive.
So you always wanted to be a teacher?
Not that I, in fact, my childhood dream was to become a businesswoman, but somehow, at our time, the business and
Okay.
the job and everything was not in the family. So got married after immediately after the graduation, and then married to a army officer. There was no question to set up any business because moving from one place to another place after every year, 1 year and a half year or 2 years. So ultimately,
Okay.
the choice was teacher. So of course, wherever I
So
had
you did
gone,
your
I've been teaching.
yeah, you kept on teaching.
Yes,
बट आपका सपना पूरा हुआ बिजनेस वुमन बनने का जब आपने ट्यूटोरियल स्टार्ट किए अपने और फिर आपने जब नाम्स क्रिएशन स्टार्ट किया.
yes. In fact, when I started my tutorial,
आप थोड़ा नाम. हाँ.
that time I really felt that I have started something because I really earned very good amount at that time. I had about 12 to 15 children,
Yeah.
and they started, in fact, from 6 months to 7 years because it was a kind of a crutch also.
Yeah.
And I was really helping my husband in earning. Though my husband always said, keep your money with you. I don't want, you wanted to do something, you keep doing. So that was a good start. And stitching was my inborn talent, which I've
Yeah.
been doing it from the right from my childhood. And of course, after that, I had joined some
And
single
you are
school
still
also.
teaching. And you are
I was
still
still
teaching.
teaching. Yes. While teaching, I was doing my stitching part at home because children, when Ekta was small, for the girls, you can make very lovely things. So I
Yeah.
used to make all kind of dresses for her. So that is my inborn talent, which I improved later on. I and once I sit on the machine, I forget everything, no matter how upset I am. I really forget everything.
So stitching de-stresses you.
Yes,
So now here also we have a message for women that डिस्ट्रेस करने के बहुत तरीके हो सकते हैं. जैसे मैं गार्डनिंग करती हूँ, आप स्टिचिंग करते हैं, कोई कुकिंग करके भी डिस्ट्रेस हो सकता है. तो उनको अपना वो डिस्ट्रेसिंग का एक फैक्टर ढूंढना होगा.
yes, you have to find out
हाँ, यू हैव टू फाइंड इट आउट एंड द आंसर लाइज विद इन यू ओनली.
within you only.
आप हाँ, योर फैमिली और योर फ्रेंड्स और योर नेबर्स विल नॉट कम टू टेल यू what you can do to de-stress.
You
You
see,
have to
anything,
start finding ways to de-stress yourselves,
yes,
isn't it?
and anything positive you want to do, the answer is in you only.
Within you only. That
Yes,
is such a beautiful message, Mrs. Saigal.
yes.
So you tell me, like, when did you start your NAMS creation?
NAM's creation, I started when you see, I got one bed cover made from somebody. So I
Okay,
really liked it, and by chance I come across to that person. So I really appreciate it. And he said, "Ki, why don't you also start?"
Okay.
So I thought, not a bad idea. And since I am from a very big family, though first, everything starts from the family.
Yes,
So
yes,
I
yes.
started making things for the family only, and I was really encouraged by everyone. So that is how slowly, slowly, I started taking orders from outside also, started making my own things also. When Ekta got married, वो जो मिलनी की चीजें देते हैं, that also I got made everything at home only, for giving them a blanket and quilt. So that is how
Yeah.
slowly, slowly I got into it.
वो मैंने देखे हैं आपके प्रोडक्ट्स और वो बहुत खूबसूरत हैं। और अगेन आपने बहुत सारी चीजें, जैसे आपने आई सॉ योर बेड कवर्स एंड टेबल रनर्स, जो कि आपने बेड वो टेबल रनर्स और मैट्स बनाए हैं बेड कवर्स से। तो आई हैव सीन सो मेनी ब्यूटीफुल थिंग्स दैट यू हैव क्रिएटेड। तो क्रिएटिविटी तो आपके अंदर बहती है, या आप क्रिएटिविटी का एक दूसरा नाम है मैम,
I
ये
think
मैं
that
नहीं कह सकती।
नाम तो मैं नहीं कह सकती because
हाँ,
नाम is too big thing.
हाँ,
I think बहती है.
बहती है।
Yes,
That's most important to keep creating new things.
yes.
Ma'am, we have talked to each other in the past, and the more I talk to you, the more I know about you, and I respect you all the more for
Thank you.
every chat that we have. So, like, you kept on teaching during these COVID lockdown days also. So, I would like you to tell others about how you continue to teach.
You
आप
see,
भी दूसरों की तरह बोल सकते थे कि लॉकडाउन में मैं नहीं पढ़ा सकती बच्चों को।
absolutely. You see, before that, when I was teaching them, I really brought them into certain level. And during the
Yeah.
lockdown, I was really worried कि इतना कुछ उनको मैंने सिखाया है, और छोटे बच्चों का तो 2 दिन आप उनको नहीं पढ़ाओ या उनके काम की तरफ नहीं ध्यान दो, they forget everything because it is the beginning.
Yes.
So one day, whatever ideas I get when I do my chanting, because my mind works for those things, and while chanting I get many ideas. So suddenly this
Yes.
idea came into my mind, and I spoke to
Okay.
their parents that that is how I just wanted to give a trial. Would you like to send your children like this outside and make them sit, and we'll make the surround, all the surroundings clean, they will wear the mask, so make sure that everything should be as per the timing what the virus is going on. So they say yes, because they trust me so much that whatever I ask them blindly, they go after me. But I never
Yeah.
wanted that. I wanted that you will just give a trial and you should be satisfied, so as I should also be satisfied. So I started,
Yes.
and to my surprise, it went so well. It went so well that one day I was teaching, there was a reporter passing on, and he saw them, the way I was teaching. So she was really very happy. And then she said, "Can I cover you people?" So she came with all her cameras and all. She covered all our, that session. And she has
Yeah.
one digital magazine. She put it into that. So I was so happy. So as the children were very happy, the parents were very happy. कि हम camera में आए. Then the news channel people came. They also covered, and we were on the TV news channel also. They showed that how during this, tough time, how this one lady is taking an effort to teach the children. So it was so much of inspiration when I saw that people are encouraging me, they are appreciating it. So the more appreciation I got it, more I got encouraged. And that is how then we are till today we are carrying on. And they are doing quite well.
And how many kids are there who are coming to study
There were
currently?
7 of them. 2 have gone. Now I have left with the 5 of them.
Okay, 5 kids. But
Yes.
overall आपने अब तक कितने बच्चों को पढ़ा के बड़ा करके भेज दिया?
Earlier they were
Under.
seven. Earlier there were 12 of them when I
Yeah.
started my tutorial,
Okay.
and from 6 months child up to 7 years old, you
Okay.
know. And now they all, some of them are married, and
Yeah.
they are still in touch with me. On Teachers' Day, I get their phone calls, I get their cards, and they
Wonderful.
always say that we really miss you. And I feel so nice that they are doing very well. And now I feel that these children who are the from the humble class, for them, I really pray that they must come up well and they show to the world, yes, they also can do something. I really pray day and night for them, because the people who are from,
Yeah,
well educated people,
absolutely
they
wonderful to
can
know.
put their effort, but these are the children for whom I have taken the responsibility. So I really want, the way I have that image, they must come up to that image.
They will, of course, they will turn into beautiful human beings. सबसे
Yes.
पहली बात तो करियर उनका बनेगा ही बनेगा, लेकिन वो बहुत अच्छे इंसान बनेंगे, जो कि
Apart,
बहुत जरूरत है.
yes, apart from their bookish knowledge, I teach them many, normal things also. I teach them the basic manners. I teach them how to eat. I take them to the market, how they can make, make their money to use. I took them to post office, to bank. I keep playing them, with cricket or football or whatever, game. So at that time, I really forget my age, and I am one of them. Or I really enjoy with them.
And I so wish that we had teachers like you in our childhood.
Yes. In fact, when I was teaching in Mathura, there my school principal, she had made a video of my way of teaching,
Okay,
and she had screened to all the teachers that this is how the small children should be taught. So I was so happy.
so you are a leader in true sense. Ma'am, you were also nominated by Salam Namaste Radio
Yes,
for and you were awarded by them as woman change maker
yes,
and शक्ति की अभिव्यक्ति.
yes.
उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Very nice of Varsha that, in fact, I'm thankful to my daughter Ekta. You see, मैं तो घर से बाहर नहीं निकलती. I don't have any such uh, people to meet or to have any this kind of,
Network.
yeah. But Ekta keep meeting people. Then she asked me one day that she's met somebody and she's on the radio program. Would you like to come? I said, I never say no to anything. I said, yes, I don't mind. So nice of Varsha, she invited me, and then she took the interview, and she touched each part of my life, and it went off very beautifully. And then she has nominated my name for Shakti, Nari Shakti, and I was awarded for that. So I was very grateful of Varsha, who has given me this opportunity. Then
ऐसे आप जैसे लोगों को ही आगे लाना चाहिए ताकि सब लोग देख सकें कि एक लेडी क्या क्या कर सकती है, उसको कितनी उसके अंदर शक्ति. उसको शक्ति ऐसे ही नहीं बोलते नारी को. जो नारी को पूजा जाता है, देवी माना जाता है, उसके वाकई में 8 हाथ होते हैं और एक बहुत बड़ा दिल होता है उसके पास में. और अ वुमन इज बॉर्न इंटेलिजेंट. हमारी
everybody
जो
has the
दादी नानियां थी,
potential.
दे नेवर वेंट टू स्कूल बट दे मैनेज देयर हाउसहोल्ड सो ब्यूटीफुली. दे मैनेज द चैलेंजेस सो ब्यूटीफुली.
Yes.
So this is the beauty of being a woman.
You
Ma'am,
see,
now we'll drift our conversation to something not very pleasant, but I'd really like to discuss that because uh, Ekta and you shared with me that your husband had been quite unwell. He was in coma for nearly 7 years. So, and you were the main caregiver to him. You became the mother to your husband, isn't it?
yes.
तो आपके पास में जब वो चैलेंज आया सामने, तो डेफिनेटली एक बार तो आपको लगा होगा सेटबैक या डिप्रेशन. उसको आपने दूर करके और फिर कैसे आप आगे बढ़े इस
Uh,
सिचुएशन से
to
डील करने के लिए.
to be very frank, Ila, when he got this attack, I never knew that it is so fatal and it will take a shape that he will be on the bed for 7 years. मुझे यही लगा 5-6 दिन हॉस्पिटल में रुकेंगे, वापस आ जाएंगे. I never took it that this will take this kind of shape.
या
So every day I used to tell my son, 10 दिन के बाद छुट्टी मिल जाएगी, आप वापस आ जाएंगे. But I used to see very different kind of expression on my son's face. But I never, we, in fact, all three of us, my daughter, my son, and myself, we always try to hide our concern and
From
hide
each
our,
other.
yes, from each other, and try to make happy each other कि नहीं नहीं सब ठीक हो जाएगा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. So for about 15 days, the last when I went to the hospital, when I got the news, I met him. He was with his open eyes, and I asked him, "Don't worry, you will be all right." And after that, he closed his eyes and he was taken to emergency. And all my relatives in Delhi, I got so many of my own people. Within no time, everybody was in the hospital, which has really given me a big support. I felt, that I'm not alone because Ekta was also out and Anuj was also out. So as and when time passed, I started understanding कि ये तो कुछ गड़बड़ है. But still, I never left hope.
Hmm.
Every night I used to think, tomorrow again something good will happen. Something good will happen. So 3 months he was in the hospital. Hospital I learned a lot. Without giving any medical exam, I became a doctor. I used to see day and night, sisters coming, doctors coming. One could make out who is compassionate, who is more, doing the work better. So that has made me very wise. So after 3 months staying in Fortis Hospital, he came back on 5th of December. In fact, today is the third day. He got this attack on 18th September. Now today is 20th. So
Yes.
15 years, 14 years have passed. मुझे
Yes.
लगता है अभी कल की बात है. So anyhow,
हाँ, जिस तरह से आप बात कर रही हैं, डे बाय डे आपको डेट भी याद है, आपको सब
I know each
जो
time
इससे गुजरा होता है वो कभी नहीं भूलता है, जो
because
इसमें से
18th
निकला
was
होता
like
है वो कभी नहीं
on
भूलता. हाँ.
18th I was quite upset. Normally, you feel as if the flashback is going on. But normally on that day, I distribute some sweets because it was a new birth for him.
Yes.
And though the birth was that physically he was in front of me, but he was like, I had the consolation that he is with me. I
He's
don't
with you.
I
Yes.
don't feel like even telling that he was in a vegetative state. I never used to like this. If anybody used to say, I never used to like it. Anyhow, the time started passing. I remember when we came back from hospital, it was on the Lodi, 13th of January.
Hmm.
He was on the catheter and he started bleeding.
Yeah.
And it was at night and I got so panicked. I was all by myself and I thought what to do. And at night, how will I take again to hospital? It was very difficult. I There is one, my friend. I knew that he got a piss spot, so I thought I'll remove the catheter and I'll use the piss spot. The whole night I kept holding that piss spot in my hand, and the night I saved so that he should not remain in a wet bed. But at the same time, my mind was working what to do,
Hmm.
because catheter was the main culprit for getting infection. Every off and
Yes.
on, he used to get fever,
I understand.
high fever, 104, 103. So the whole night, I kept thinking what to do for this thing, and this cannot be removed, and how long I can sit like that.
Hmm.
So the next morning, I bought another piss pot. I had a tube, I had a nozzle, I had some M seal. I I improvised. I made it like a catheter only. So I kept it under the tap and kept the tube down, and the water started passing very nicely.
Yeah.
So that was sort of an experiment, and I used that. Then I bought a small bucket, dustbin. So I kept that pipe to the dustbin and kept the piss pot, and he was passing urine very nicely, and it was going to the bin. So
Wonderful.
without any catheter or anything, this problem was solved. I was so happy. Then you won't believe, as and when I took him to the hospital, it was appreciated by all the doctors. They said, "How this idea came to you?" I said, because the whole night I sat down with him with the fish pot in my hand so that he should not be on the wet bed. And this, which I improvised, comes out so well that doctor used to advise other patients that that is how, if at all the situation comes to anybody like this, they should use it. It was highly recommended by the doctor to the patient. And all 7 years, he was never on catheter. 7 years he passed. There was no bed sore. There was no, because if he is on the wet bed, the bed sore will occur.
Yes.
Since he was never on the bed or any dirty bed, there was not even a scar on his body. He always used to say when in the forge, go to the bathroom, I will complete my 3S. I said, what is this 3S? Shit, shave, shower. And I
Yes.
continued with that. I
फौजियों का
continued with
होता
that.
है
Not
ट्रिपल
even a
फ्लश.
single
Yes.
day I missed his shave. I missed his bath. Even the during severe winter, I gave him bath. I kept him like a king and very neat, very clean shave, everything. He used to wear scarf in the winter. I used to put him very, he was very OG. कोई भी बाल यहाँ से नहीं, I used to, cut his hair. I kept him the way he used to live. And my family support was really big. I I never wanted my children to leave their things and come back, though they were ready. कि मम्मा बोलो हम सब कुछ करके we will shift. But I realized it is their time. It was the beginning of their career.
Yes.
I never allowed them that they uprooted from their place and all. But Ekta, I wanted that she should, because it was a beginning of her career, and I knew that once she comes back, she can set up, she being a girl, uh, more, the girls have that motherly feeling.
Yes.
So I will have a different kind of support from
Support.
her.
Emotional support as well as physical support,
Yes.
everything. Yes.
And we have team, me and my son and Papa and Ekta. So it was a team. So I thought since she's from his team, you don't know, maybe trigger any moment, any kind of thing that he will come out of his situation. So I called her, then she shifted from Bombay with her bag and baggage. And second thing was this, since she was in a marriageable age, that was also a very big thing. Then since she shifted to me, it was easy for me if any, proposal comes for her. Otherwise, sitting away from her, दूर की बात दूर ही रह जाती है. So that was
सही
also
बात.
a thing in my mind that if anything such situation come, at least she will be with me. We both can think, we both can decide, and things will become, faster. They move faster. So the way she shifted, that was a great help to me. And she in fact always used to tell me कि आप इधर जाओ, आप उधर जाओ. She used to encourage me, and so much so that I, even in that state, I used to take him on the wheelchair to the parties also. We had our Dogra get together. I
Yeah.
used to take him to the parties. People used to say, कैसे लेके जाएगी, कैसे
वही वही
करेगी.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि लोगों का रिस्पॉन्स क्या रहता था, क्या रहता था लोगों का
I
रिस्पॉन्स
never
जब आप उनको ले
wanted,
जाते थे.
I never wanted any opportunity which could give him, maybe this trigger, and
हाँ, some
he may
stimulus.
come out of it.
Yes.
Yes. So I tried all my methods, and I used to feel, एक माँ ने जन्म दिया, शादी करवा दी. Now I become a second mother to him. He became like my baby, and I really looked after him like a baby, time to time feed, time, and I gave him anything and everything: curry chawal, rajma chawal, dahi, fish, chicken, egg, whatever you name a thing. I used to give him, and every time I used to think how to make his meal. How can I give, whether it has protein, whether it has hydrates, carbohydrates. So wanted to give him the balanced diet.
Yeah.
So
So
tried,
like ऑल इन ऑल आपके सामने 3-4 चैलेंजेस एक साथ खड़े हो गए थे।
yes,
हस्बैंड की तबीयत जो कि आपको लग रहा था कि एक डेड एंड पे है, इनको मैं कैसे रिवाइव करूं। बच्चों का करियर भी आपके सामने था कि बच्चों का करियर स्टार्ट ही हो रहा था, और आप चाहते हुए भी कि वो आपके साथ, आप अंदर से कोई भी लेडी गिव अप कर सकती थी, कहती कि भाई मैं तो इनका ध्यान रखूंगी, बाकी चीजों का तुम ध्यान रखो, तुम लोग आ जाओ, ऐसा बोल
so I
सकती थी
never,
कोई भी लेडी।
yes,
बट आपके सामने आपके बच्चों का भी करियर का पूरा पूरा एक क्वेश्चन मार्क आपके सामने था कि बच्चों की एक लाइफ स्टार्ट हो रही है, मुझे उसमें इंटरफेयर नहीं करना है बल्कि उनको सपोर्ट करना है। तीसरी चीज ये कि हस्बैंड को एक एडिशनल सपोर्ट या स्टिमुलस भी देते रहना है, जिससे कि उनके माइंड में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा हो, ट्रिगर हो कि वो ठीक हो जाए।
yes, yes.
बिकॉज
And another
हाँ,
thing I want to share, I was so blessed that his workplace, I don't want to take the name, where he was working, those people, they had given me three people to look after him.
ओके,
And one driver and two people to attend him. And though, of course, driver also at time used to be a helper, which in the history of that field of work never happened. Never happened. And he has left his, such a good name that they had provided me the help throughout 7 years. Three men in my house, they were the cream of those people because me and my daughter staying all by ourselves, and he in the condition where anybody could take the liberty of three, two
एग्जैक्टली।
women staying all by themselves, but they became like my own children. Till today, they are in touch with me. I keep looking for an opportunity. As and when I get an opportunity, I want to pay them back. कि कहते हैं ना, इसी जन्म में जो कर जाओ तो कर जाओ, अगला जन्म
सही
किसने
बात।
देखा है।
ग्रेटिट्यूड बहुत बड़ी चीज है, और
ये
वो आपने अंदर से आप आज तक उनके प्रति ग्रेटिट्यूड,
या
आभार जो है अपने अंदर आप फील करती हैं, और
मैं
आप उनको जो ब्लेसिंग दे रही हैं।
मैं उनका
हाँ,
देना भी नहीं दे सकती. I cannot pay them back. Cannot. The way they looked after him so well, and my emotional support of my children, my son, my daughter, if that
या,
was, so there's no words. My daughter-in-law, children, he could not see any of his grandchild, and my sisters, my brothers, my bhabis, all my relations. If I name, I think that in hundreds, that एक बार मेरे फोन पे थोड़ी सी बुझी आवाज है, वो सब इकट्ठे हो जाते थे. क्या हुआ, क्यों, why you are
ये
low
बहुत
today, you
बड़ी
are not
ब्लेसिंग है,
like
ये
that.
बहुत बड़ी
So that
ब्लेसिंग
was
है।
that, that blessings till today they are with me. At that time which I wanted, they were 101% with me. So I was so blessed that, नहीं तो ऐसे टाइम में तो सब साथ छोड़ जाते हैं. बट आई कहते हैं ना, सुख के सब साथी दुख
क्योंकि
में
मुझे
न कोई.
लगता है, क्योंकि जो आपने आपने जैसा आपने बोला कि आप बहुत बड़ी फैमिली की थी, उसमें हर तरह के लोग थे, नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव सबके अंदर क्वालिटीज होती हैं। आपने उनकी नेगेटिव नेगेटिव स्ट्रेंथ्स को दरकिनार करते हुए आपने सिर्फ उनकी पॉजिटिविटी और पॉजिटिव स्ट्रेंथ्स पे ध्यान दिया।
Yes,
उस चीज का वो अप्रिशिएट करके आपको गिव बैक कर रहे हैं मैम, वो आपने अर्न
absolutely,
किया है।
absolutely, yes, absolutely. So till today, they all, Abhi, it was my birthday. On my birthday, they spoke very high of me. मुझे खुद लग रहा था कि have I done all these things? And I was feeling so nice also, feeling good also, that when I leave this world, I will leave a very good legacy behind me. And I pray that my children follow that and remember me for what all I have done and what all I will be able to do. And since I'm into Buddhism, that's
I know
very,
your daughter, and I know she has a long way to go. She's a beautiful girl.
yes,
Ekta is actually an extension of you and a replica of you.
yes,
बहुत डिटरमिन्ड वाली डिटर्मिनेशन और ग्रिट वाली लड़की है, आई नो दैट फॉर श्योर। एंड एवरीवन एस्पायर्स टू हैव अ डॉटर लाइक हर।
yes.
So, ma'am, when sir was in the hospital, so you said that you became a good judge of doctors and attendants, and you could like easily pass the doctor exam of a like to be a doctor,
Yes,
isn't it?
yes,
तो वहां पे जो आप मेरे को आई एम वेरी श्योर कि वहां जो आपके जो फेलो पेशेंट्स होंगे उनके अटेंडेंट्स होंगे
yes. I used to
उनको
help them.
आपने कई तरह से गाइड किया होगा या मोटिवेट किया होगा.
Yes, I used to help them. In fact, doctor used to take me, meet this lady. This lady will tell you how to take care of the patient.
Yeah.
Will you believe that any patient in the ICU, they never allow anybody to look after the patient in the ICU. My husband was 1 month, 1.5 months in the ICU.
Hmm.
I didn't allow any attendant of the hospital to look after him. I was all the time in the hospital to look after him. So in the ICU, if you get an opportunity by the doctors, from the doctors, which means a lot. And I used to feel so satisfied because the way I was taking care of him, I didn't want to take a single chance that anybody doing any gadbad ki meri sari mehnat pe, because I was 100% determined that he will come up from the bed. And I wanted that he must come up, pay his gratitude, convey his thanks to everyone, how they had supported, how they came forward to, provide things to me. But I didn't get that chance. But as I'm into Buddhism, it took 6 years to understand because I became very reluctant for my practice because I felt कि मैंने इतना कुछ करा, why he could get up from the bed. My leaders used to tell that you will find the answer on your own. Nobody will give you answer. The answer will come from within. And about 15 days before, I got that answer. And the day I got that answer, my way of attitude, I felt that my body has become light.
Hmm.
My mind has become light. Otherwise, going from one room to another room at night, I used to feel scared. Though at the same time, I never wanted to stay with my children because I told them, if you take me to you, I will become, you know, dependent, which I don't want. As and when I can do and take care of myself, please leave me. When I feel that I will not be able, you are the one, I will come to you people. And
Yes.
they supported me, they agreed. But they didn't know. रात को एक बार मैं कमरे में बंद हो जाती थी, मैं दूसरे कमरे में नहीं जा पाती थी, मुझे डर लगता था.
डर लगता था.
But that fear has gone now. Now I feel he has reached, he has left his body at the right time. After 7 years of struggle, the day he was left, all that free help which was given to me was withdrawn. I was left all by myself. And it was complete darkness in front of me. That what will I do tomorrow? And the next morning, he went. But though I didn't understand at that time, now I understood if I was left all by myself, all alone with my daughter, how would I have looked after him? So,
कभी आप डिप्रेस होते थे, लगता था कि बहुत हो गया अब नहीं कर पाऊंगी?
never,
नेवर.
never, never, ever, never.
गुस्सा आता था?
नहीं.
नहीं.
गुस्सा आता था, कोई ऐसी प्रॉब्लम आती थी, ही वॉज वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट.
हाँ.
गुस्सा आता था, कोई चीज नहीं पता होती थी, क्यों नहीं बताया आपने मुझे, यू शुड हैव टोल्ड मी. सो दैट टाइम आई यूज्ड टू बिकम पैनिक कि अब क्या करूं, अब क्या करूं. अदरवाइज आई नेवर फेल्ट कि ही इज ऑन द बेड, आई हैव टू डू एवरीथिंग, ये करूं वो, ऐसे कभी गुस्सा नहीं आया था.
नहीं होता था.
नहीं, जैसे बच्चे पे आपको प्यार आता है वैसे ही लगता था.
वैसा आता था. आप सच्चे अर्थों में उनकी माँ बन गई थी.
यस.
आई एम सो टच्ड बिकॉज मैं लगभग इसी सिचुएशन से निकल चुकी हूँ 2 बार. एंड I know it's not easy taking care of your family, keeping the family's morale up. आप अपने जो बच्चे हैं उनको भी आप जताना चाहते हो, नहीं मैं भी ठीक हूँ, यहाँ पर सब कंट्रोल में है.
Yes,
जबकि चीजें कई बार लगता है कि फिसल रही हैं हाथ से.
they say कि why don't you tell? I
हम्म.
said आप क्या करोगे?
हाँ.
मैं 2 मिनट रो लूंगी, 10 मिनट रो लूंगी. I will be all right. If I
हाँ.
tell you, आप दूर बैठे हैं, unnecessarily you will also get upset because sometimes after all I am a human.
Yes.
मन तो उदास हो ही जाता है. Many times it happens, you feel. But I know they are temporary. That will pass on. It pass on. ठीक हो जाता है, फिर ठीक हो जाए. And these children to whom I am teaching, and Ekta's daughter Vanya, they are the booster dose for me. They keep me my morale up. They keep me busy, and I feel very nice with them.
I
In fact,
think you
all my
keep everyone busy,
grandchildren,
आंटी. मैम,
my
आप
grand,
सबको बिजी रखते हैं.
all my grandchildren, they are like
हाँ.
my friend.
हाँ.
So keep talking to them. अब तो ये भी बोलने वाली हो गई. Otherwise, my
हाँ.
granddaughter Anaya,
हाँ.
often she calls me. We talk for quite some time. She discusses with me. She tells me how she's doing in her school. She's very fond of football. She shares many things with me. So I also feel very nice
So
talking to
sweet.
them.
Absolutely
So,
wonderful.
so they are the booster dose for me.
बिकॉज मैंने ऐसी ग्रैंड मॉम्स भी देखी हैं जो अपनी डॉटर इन लॉज को या बच्चों को बोलती हैं, ये यार बच्चा हटा लो इधर से, मेरा दिमाग खा गए.
No, no, no. In fact, my daughter-in-law, she brought them so nicely that while sitting, they are away in Hong Kong, she makes it a point that they must talk to me.
दैट्स
अभी
ब्यूटीफुल.
लगता ही नहीं है कि बच्चे मेरे से दूर बड़े हो रहे हैं. They know each and everything of mine. I know each and everything of them. I really felt, to see them growing, even sitting so far. So the credit goes to mother, how she has brought them up. And
सो अब यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन और आता है कि बिकॉज आज हम बहुत सारी चीजों के बारे में बता रहे हैं एंड यू हैव लिव्ड अ लाइफ, अ लॉन्ग लाइफ. तो जो आपने बैलेंस बना के रखा अपनी डॉटर इन लॉ के साथ में, या उन्होंने आपके साथ बैलेंस बनाया, तो वो गॉड सेंट था या सबने मिलके एफर्ट्स लगाए फैमिली में?
you see, they are the joint effort. I always tell all my children, I never say she's my daughter-in-law. She's my daughter. मैं तो उनके पेरेंट्स को बोलती हूँ, भैया 23-25 साल आपने पाल पोस के बड़ा करके, तो आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू. फिर उसको हमारे घर भेज दिया आपने. बाकी देखो, तू मैं बच्चों से सबके साथ ही होती है. कभी बेटी के साथ, कभी बेटे के साथ, कभी किसी. As long as it is healthy, I think it is
Yes.
required. It should carry on. कहते हैं ना,
हाँ,
खट्टन से
arguments,
स्वाद
healthy
तभी आती है.
arguments and differences should be there. Yes.
Yes, that is how you grow. They
Yes.
make you grow. Not that they make you upset. They make you grow.
Such a beautiful message, how to keep your family together
Yes.
and to grow together as a family, because every day each of us is growing. कुछ लोग नेगेटिवली ग्रो करते हैं, कुछ पॉजिटिवली ग्रो करते हैं, और आज की पूरी चैट से मुझे सिर्फ पॉजिटिविटी मिली है आपसे बात करके मैम.
Yes, I am very positive. I am very positive.
ब्लड ग्रुप क्या है मैम आपका?
Be positive.
मेरा भी.
And I every day morning I pay my gratitude. I pay my thanks to my husband, who, while sitting away from me, he is improvising me each and everything. I am so contented. I am so contented. I always tell my children that I keep doing like this, not like this. And he left me very
बहुत
happy.
सुंदर बात.
He left me very, uh,
Rich.
I have a house on my top. I have beautiful children, my own children, and the children who the law has made. My son-in-law,
Yes.
my daughter-in-law, and further my grandchildren. I have a
Yes.
very good team of my family. So I'm
And the
very
children
blessed.
that you are taking care of.
Yes, I'm
They are
very
also
blessed.
your kids.
They all are taking me very well with their own ways. And I am so blessed. And thanks to Narinder, because बच्चे आना is a मिली जुली भक्त. So we got such lovely children, and we further got more children. Now I got more children, and I become now Dadima of Jagat Dadima. Everybody is calling me Dadima. So how lucky I am. I really feel very, very happy and honored.
What is your message for all those who are watching our show? Many
Positive,
men are watching our show. Many
positive,
women are watching our show. Positivity.
positive, positive, and positive. बातें होती हैं, जाने दो, रखो मत, जाने दो. All is well. तो भैया all
On this note,
well.
yes, we'll conclude our chat. And again, a big salute to you from my side. और मैं बहुत आपसे बहुत पॉजिटिविटी और इंस्पिरेशन लेके आज साइन ऑफ कर रही हूँ. And I'm very sure that most of us who are watching this show today have learned so many things from you. Thank you so much for joining, Mrs. Sehgal. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, Ella. Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much. I'm honored.